Corporal Clark, you've proven yourself in basic flight training. I hope you won't disappoint me this time either. Let's go over some of the finer moments of aerial combat. Situational awareness is key to victory. Try to look around. Try to look around. An enemy will never surprise you if you keep your head on a swivel. You have great all-around visibility in the external view. There are other views as well. Please switch to the in-cockpit view. Remain in this view for now. It's hard to see a target even a mile away. Let's try to take a closer look. You can also use this zoom view to fine-tune your aim. Attention, an enemy bomber has just been spotted in the area. Open your map to locate it. This might be your very first kill. Return to external view. Now you know for sure you need to attack this particular aircraft. Select it as your target. The bomber is selected, and you can now use the target camera. The target camera can make it easy to get onto your target 6 and engage it.
They're hitting me!
Your plane is equipped with some of the most advanced guns available today. Once you depress the trigger, all your onboard weapons will begin to fire. Congratulations. Just 4 more and you'll be a bona fide ace. That more than covers today's lesson. Let's go home. Drop your landing gear to prepare to land. Great. The landing gear will be down and locked in just a few seconds. However, you're still some distance away from the runway, and your gear is slowing you down. Let's retract it and continue on. Your landing gear is up. Don't lower it unless you're ready to land. Congratulations. You've successfully completed this training mission. Keep it up.